No, today's adventure doesn't involve those scary looking pumpkins hidden in the ice mountain, or Goliath at Six Flags Over Georgia, one of the best hypers there is, but it does involve this amazing place. The awesomeness that is the packing house. Seriously love this place. One of my favorite places in Orange County by far. Lots of good stuff, so let's go inside and see what's there. Hey, I found roosters here, but I didn't find them in Knott's today, so that works. See what's left here. I haven't been here in a really long time. Love this place. They don't have anything like this in Pennsylvania, really. There was a cool one in Sandusky by Cedar Point. It was kind of reminding me of Packing House, but there's nothing on the level of it that is this. There's some dope stuff here, though. Like I said, guys, you ever come out here, like, seriously, you need to come here. It's like one of the things I like. I don't really see a lot of touristy people that come to Disney and stuff too. Go to the packing house and find all kinds of awesomeness. These are pretty. It's good to see like a lot of the places are still here. They have survived. I haven't been here since 2019. This place is cool, a little bar. And then downstairs, play live music. It's a good spot for a stage. I think it's so pretty here too, though. They do such a cool job. Like, it looks so rad in this building. You know, lots of good food too. Don't know what I'm gonna get yet, but there's always good stuff here. You know, this place plays. Then behind that door right there. Secret little rabbit just right there. All kinds of awesomeness. And then these boxes right here, or a door. Might not look like it, but it's a door. So, orange. This is cool though. Like, there's still a lot of good stuff here. Doesn't look like it really got affected much, thankfully. The ground's really cool. You said it's been a long time since I've been here. Miss this place. Out of everything in OC, I definitely miss this place probably the most. And then we come back outside, and we're back to where the cops are. Since they're not at Knott's, they're at the packing house. So, yeah, that's it. Awesomeness. Let's go grab on something and have some fun. So for those of you that don't know why it's called the packing house, this used to be where Sun-Kissed Oranges used to pack all their oranges for Orange County. Granted, there actually were oranges here at one time. I actually remember that. See, there's some oranges up there. And they have this cool park over here. Yeah, like last time I really remember seeing oranges in Orange County was in Irvine. A long time ago, but they're all gone now. Don't do it anymore. But yeah, this park's pretty cool. It's got some fun stuff. Those lanterns are rad. I like that. I'm into that. So, this is the park that is at the packing district. Not much cracking tonight for being Friday, but that's okay. See, I do other things besides visit amusement parks as well. There's only so many parks you can go to, even though I'm at a park again. But I don't want to go back down here. There's just a brewery and then this place. So, adding new stuff to it, that's rad. Like I said, it's been a long time since I've been here, so if you guys ever come to Anaheim, I mean, you got lots of reasons to come to Anaheim. You got freaking Disney, and then Knott's is next door, and Magic's up the street. Or if you go south to SeaWorld, you know, pass through Anaheim, make sure you guys come to the packing house, dude. This place is rad. So I'm gonna go inside and I'm gonna go find something to grub on because there's so many choices. This place seriously has something for everybody. you know, seriously. There's something for everybody here. It doesn't matter how picky you are. And there's also a speakeasy too, so you just gotta find it. I kind of gave you a hint earlier, but that's okay. And that place is super good too. Don't think I'll get to visit it today, but either way, it's always fun to come to the Packing House. Place here at the Packing District called the Hammer Bar. It's 62, it's got tequila and stuff in it and a lime. Got some good music, some good friends getting drinks. And you know, it is what it is. So you got some good drinks too. Like I said, Packing District has it all, guys. So we came to get some hot pie, got all this good stuff. Got my broth that's warming up, got some rice. Got this awesome sauce, I'm not sure what it is yet. And we're just getting ready to have some good stuff. Once the meat comes out. Yummy! Got some meat. My broth is boiling. Gonna add my veggies. I'm gonna start making what's good. It's almost done, so I'm taking some stuff out. Put some sauce on it, put it in there. A bowl of scrumptious awesomeness right there, especially those baby corns. All bubbling, all simmered together, almost done cooking. Taking pieces as you go. It's the way to do it. So yummy. I love hot pot. So we decided to come to a brewery that's across the street from the Packing District. It's still part of it in a way, but always with the good craft beers of SoCal, man. One thing I definitely miss about not being back home. That drawing is gnarly. Lots of beers on top too, so let's see what I get into. So from the brewery, I got what they call a Sonic. It's a watermelon extra sour, so it's really sour. Really sour. I'm gonna drink it. It was really sour, but damn, that is really good. I love good craft beer. This is actually really good. Perfectly the way it is. And you taste the sours. You can taste a little bit of the bitterness from it. Taste the watermelon. Oh my God, that's good. One more round of bottles to the ground. Drink it up, pound it down, pass it around before you go upside down. It's the only way to ride a roller coaster. Hey, clown. Cheers and beers. Super good time with my friends John and Alexis at the Packing District tonight. You know, John is also the singer of Media Control, whose music you heard tonight and also in some of the other videos. Definitely a good friend of mine and an awesome musician as well. So that's going to end our night over at Packing District. We came over to the brewery across the street, literally. Had a couple drinks, hung out, and just, you know, good times, good friends, and, you know, lots of good food. Can't go wrong with the Packing House. So, you know, super yummy and always a good time here in Anaheim. Who knows when I'll get back here again, but thank you guys for watching my adventure to the Packing District. Please be sure to like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and always hit my bell so you know that when I'm gonna upload new content and make new videos for you guys. Again, thank you for watching and please subscribe, and I will see you wherever I adventure to next. Peace.